Yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah. When I feel down, I do a Percocet. Hey, I do a Percocet. Now when I feel down, I do a Percocet. Hey, I do a Percocet. First I get my Percocet, I break it down and line it up. Then I get my tutor, then I put it down and sniff it up. Yeah, I'm feeling down, so you know I need my crown. Cause my crown give me power. Money is power. Money is evil. Evil like an evil. Always taking risks, trying to pocket all that evil. Yeah, we need that money. Money you need to survive. I'm trying to get it. I ain't trying to fucking die. Ain't nobody gonna stop me cause I'm on my Percocets. Man, they make me feel so good. I'm against the world. Everybody against me. Yeah, they hating on me. I don't really give a shit. Put that weight on me. Hey, yeah. Yeah, put that weight on me. Yeah, yeah. And I'ma lift it, homie. Yeah, yeah. Like I'm flexing, homie. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I say fuck feet, fuck gay city, I'ma get it. They just pity on a nigga cause they know I'm on the come up. Tryna throw a nigga in jail, I can go back there. No one send me no mail, no one send me no money. Niggas ain't family, these niggas ain't friends. Bitches ain't really love you, you just another dick that they fuck and they put up in their shit. You should already know this, yeah. Hey. Yeah. My Percocet. Yeah. 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 I love the way they make me feel. I love the way that I feel. I love the way they make me feel. I love the way that I feel. I love the way they make me feel. I love the way that I feel. I love the way they make me feel. I love the way that I feel. Yeah. I love the way they make me feel. I love the way that I feel. Yeah. I love the way they make me feel. I love the way that I feel. Yeah. When I Percocet, when I feel down, I do a Percocet. Yeah, I do a Percocet. When I feel down, I do a Percocet. I love the way they make me feel. I love the way that I feel. I love the way they make me feel. I love the way that I feel. I love the way they make me feel. I love the way that I feel. Yeah, yeah. Guys, this EscoKell's coming from Gate City. I am a rapper, entertainer, singer, beat maker, and producer. I figured I'd share this with y'all because I felt like it was time to put it on YouTube. So y'all share this, tag somebody, move it around for me. I love all you guys. I'm nothing without you.